Hi, my name is Barbara Jacobson, and this is an introductory video for Bridge to Terabithia, focusing on reading literature and theme. I graduated from California State University with a double major in 2010, right from receiving my degrees. I went into the military and I served in the United States Navy for a little while. And when I got out, I went back and got my credential from California State University, Sacramento. After receiving my teaching credential, I became a teacher out in Marysville, California, as a sixth grade teacher. I was only there for about a month, and then I was switched over to being a fifth grade teacher, and I fell in love. I've been a fifth grade teacher for going on my third year now, and I greatly enjoy it, and reading literature is one of my favorite areas to teach because imagination comes alive and students fall in love with reading, and I hope you do through this unit. Through this course, we have a few different objectives to reach. We have 3 specific standards we're working on, and I want you to be able to achieve all of those by the end of this course. The first standard is RL 5.1, which is quoting accurately from a text, meaning what the text says explicitly, and when drawing inferences from a text. So making sure that you're able to cite a source, cite it correctly, and make sure it's supporting what you are saying. The second standard and the second objective for you to achieve by the end of this course is RL 5.2, which is determining a theme of a story from details in the text, including how characters in a story respond to challenges. Determining the theme of a story is one of the hardest things for fifth graders to achieve, and this course is going to help you do that. RL 5.6 is our last objective, and students need to be able to describe how a narrator's or speaker's point of view influences how events are described. So how could the story be told differently, or how is the story impacted based on how you were told? And then we have a few different activities throughout this course, so I'm going to go over a few of those different activities. We have in week 1 a cafe model, where we're just going to kind of talk about some overall themes and feelings, kind of how you in your life, and making some personal connections to those themes. Then we're going to have a cover walk, where we're going to look at the cover of the book and discuss it, as well as researching the author of the book. Yes, you will know the end of the story before it happens, but that's not the point of the activity. There will be weekly readings, anywhere from 3 to 4 chapters a week, and there will be a quiz every week for you to complete, proving that you have completed those activities, as well as discussions throughout the week that your readings will help you participate in. There will be a text evidence presentation the second week, as well as a discussion board, which you will be able participate in, which is on emerging themes in the text, and that's where a lot of your feedback and support and input will help you gain understanding. Then we will have a conclusion, where you're going to have to conclude what you've learned through your discussions for the week, followed by in the week 3 by a coding activity, where you're going to use coding to create your own scene from the book on one of those emerging themes, followed by a presentation of your coding activity to the rest of the class, and you'll have to look at your peers' work and provide feedback on how you think they did, making sure that throughout this whole time you're supporting yourself with text evidence, pulling quotes from the text to support everything that you are saying. Then in our final week, our 4th week, we will have a final paper on what the whole book is, the theme of the whole book is. You will have to make sure you provide text evidence and make sure that you are using media to create this, whether it's PowerPoint or a drawing website or mind mapping or Google Docs. Any of those things are able to be used during this course. I look forward to working with you, and I hope you enjoy it.